Hello, and welcome to my room tour of the Mandarin Oriental Miami. I apologize for the portrait footage in this. This is the second video from this trip where I lost my GoPro footage due to a bad memory card. I had taken this video on my phone, so I figured I would share it and hope that you find it useful. So the Mandarin Oriental is located on Brickell Key and has wonderful views of the ocean and Miami. The city is really beautiful at night. Alright, here in the entrance you can see a full-length mirror and a bureau. There's a closet here that contains very soft robes, a decent sized safe which could hold my MacBook and tablet, and an iron. My room didn't have an ironing board, but housekeeping dropped one off within 5 minutes of my request. This bureau contained laundry bags and a shoe brush. And now we'll head into the bathroom. The bathroom has a single vanity sink with a ledge and lots of storage. We have a soaking tub and then a large walk-in shower. You probably noticed that the bathroom is actually open to the bedroom, but you can close the blind here above the tub for more privacy. And we also have a separate water closet. As we move into the bedroom, you'll see a super comfortable king-size bed with 2 nightstands and a power station. I appreciated the bottles of water next to the bed as well as the lighting controls for the whole room. There was a comfortable chair next to the balcony door. There's a large desk and chair that has a control panel that lets you charge devices or hook your device up to the TV for presentation. This cabinet contains the minibar. There's a large TV on the wall and drawers below for clothing. And now we'll move out into the balcony with 2 chairs and a table. The evening views from this balcony were beautiful. I sat out here with some wine for quite a while and just enjoyed looking at the city. And that concludes this room tour. Thanks for watching, and I invite you to check out some of my other videos.